Yo, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing some Air Jordan 1 drip design. Let's first start by untying the shoes and then prepping it with a leather deglazer. Once we finish that, we'll go straight to sketching the drip design all over the Nike logo and all over the shoe. You can get very creative here. After I finished tracing my design, I then took my black paint, filled in the design. Make sure to be extra careful when you're doing this part, and make sure to do at least 2 layers, even if it's black. As always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the brand grow. And I'll see you guys on the next custom.